Same products in Europe, they make these same products in Asia, they make these same products in so many countries around the world.
Actress and activist Leslie Ann Brandt thanked Gabriel and state lawmakers for the work they're doing.
These synthetic chemicals, they contribute to these neurological behavioral issues, to diseases like cancer, to harm to their immune system, but also put unnecessary pressure, additional pressure on our teachers who are already dealing with so much post-COVID.
The bill faces a critical vote in the Senate Appropriations Committee next week. And that's a look at what's going on in the Bay Area. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News on San Francisco's BIN 910.
Telling our stories is more important than ever, and the NABJ is committed to training and supporting Black journalists, media professionals, journalism students, and educators. Learn more at nabj.org. Because truth matters.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Tony Coles, president of the Black Information Network. Through Lock It and Store It, BIN aims to raise awareness about the importance of gun safety in preventing unintentional shootings, which claim the lives of dozens of Black children each year. Lock It and Store It encourages gun owners to always lock and securely store their weapons so young children don't mistake them for toys and unintentionally injure themselves or someone else. BIN will air special reports and news features explaining the role we all can play in protecting our children from these preventable tragedies. Share your thoughts and concerns about gun safety on the BIN Talkback Live portal on the iHeartRadio app. And join us in spreading the word. If you know a gun owner, encourage them to always lock and store their firearms. Doing so could save a life. BIN is dedicated to helping keep all members of our community safe. Learn more at BINnews.com.
Special thanks to
Cool jersey.
A proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
The stories that are important to you.
I didn't know she was black until a number of years ago when she happened to turn black.
On a 24/7 news network.
When it comes to Parkinson's disease, Black people are often not diagnosed.
Giving voice to the Black community.
As a board member of this nonprofit, I never thought I would be the target for the amount of accusations, hatred that I've received.
This is the Black Information Network.
Yes. These gone, so I think that's the way too.
The Bay Area's
How am I supposed to
BIN
park like
910 and on the
sticking
iHeartRadio
out?
app.
Parents of tweens, if you're familiar with far-off drop-offs,
Or get DMs
Damn, this
about
car
what's for
sticks
dinner.
out
You
way
may
too
be
far.
experiencing tween milestones. For your son or daughter, these can start at age 9. HPV vaccination, a type of cancer prevention against certain HPV-related cancers, can start then too.
for most, HPV clears on its own. But for those who don't clear the virus, it can cause certain cancers later in life.
Embrace this phase. Help protect them in the next. Ask their doctor today about HPV vaccination. Brought to you by Merck.
Time now for another crime prevention safety tip. Always remember to lock your doors and windows when you leave home. Safety starts with you. Share your tips at #LockItUp.
iHeartRadio goes one-on-one with John Legend about where he gets the stories behind his songs.
Sometimes my music isn't always directly autobiographical. Sometimes I just write a song because an idea came to me. I like to tell great stories and build on those stories and hopefully make them into great songs. We try to tap into the human experience, and it doesn't have to be our personal experience all the time to create great art.
Keep listening to iHeartRadio for more from your favorite artists.
I'm Mimi Brown on the Black Information Network, and today I'm in conversation with Dr. Byron Scott, Direct Relief COO and co-chair of the Fund for Health Equity. What's the overall mission of the Direct Relief program?
The overall mission of Direct Relief is to improve the health and lives of people affected by poverty or emergencies without regard to politics, religion, or ability to pay. This includes providing essential medical resources such as pharmaceutical drugs, medical supplies to areas impacted by natural disasters, conflict, and other crises around the world and in the U.S.
Can you break down what the Fund for Equity program is about and what metrics Direct Relief prioritizes for assessing partner relationships within it? Can you give us 3 areas?
Well, the Fund for Health Equity is a program dedicated to addressing health disparities.
That's weird. I wonder why I'm not getting